Gutenberg versus Elementor. This battle is getting serious now. So everyone is talking about Gutenberg. Many people say that Gutenberg is the future of WordPress and Elementor is becoming outdated. But what's the real truth? Is it really the time to move on from Elementor and fully switch to Gutenberg? Or there is a bigger picture that everyone is missing? Stay with me because in this video, we'll uncover the real story. We'll compare them both and take a closer look at where Gutenberg is winning, where Elementor still dominates, and why Elementor is still irreplaceable. And once we break it all down, choosing the right builder will be an easy decision for you. So let's get into it with no biasness, just truth. First, let's be real. Gutenberg is great. If you're running a content-heavy site, Gutenberg is the most suitable choice for you because it's built into WordPress so it runs smoothly without extra weight. So faster website means better SEO ranking on Google. Then it makes your website's code clean and simple, which makes it easy for Google to crawl and index your post. On the top of that, it offers a distraction-free writing experience, which makes content creation a breeze. Moreover, Gutenberg is completely free, so you don't need to buy extra tools to create a great blog. Gutenberg is also ideal for simple business sites. Most small businesses do not need complex designs. They need a website that is efficient, reliable, and easy to maintain, which Gutenberg provides so effortlessly. So in short, if you're running a content-heavy site or small business site, Gutenberg alone might be all you need. But what if you want more control over your design and power to bring innovation into your design? That's where things get tricky. So Gutenberg is great for basic pages, but it also has some big limits, especially if you want more creative freedom on your sites or on your design. That's where Elementor's power truly dominates. Let's see how. Number one, visual accuracy while editing. So when you're designing a website, you need to see what it looks like while you're working on it. Both Gutenberg and Elementor lets you edit in real time, but they do it in different ways. So with Gutenberg, everything is built using blocks. But here's the issue. The way it looks in the editor is not always exactly the same as the final page. So you might have to keep switching to preview mode to check if everything looks right. Elementor does this better. It shows your design exactly as it will appear on the live website. No guessing, no constant previews, just a real-time, pixel-perfect view of your site as you edit. So if you want to see your design accurately while editing, Elementor makes it much easier. Now number two, consistent look across the site. While Gutenberg does have reusable block, it does not have global setting option. First, let's understand the difference between the global setting and reusable block or the synced pattern. So reusable blocks are the saved content section like CTAs, images, or etc. that you can add to the multiple pages. Any changes made to a synced pattern or the reusable block will automatically update across all the pages where it's used, but not on the pages where the unsynced version of that block is used. See this. When I change the color of the synced button on the page 1, it does not update on the page 4 because it uses an unsynced version of the button. In contrast, global settings control site-wide elements like font, color, and spacing. So if you change something like maybe primary heading color, it updates on every pages across your site. But the problem is Gutenberg does not have a built-in global setting option. With Gutenberg, you can change the font style via Themes Customizer. But if your theme does not provide those options, you will need to adjust each page manually. And that would take you forever. Elementor, on the other hand, simplifies this with global styles. Like if we have 3 different pages and I go to the site setting on any one of them, to change something like the font style or color, the updates will automatically apply to all the pages. Global widgets, for instance, drag and drop any widget onto the page, customize it to your liking, and then save it as a global widget with a name. Once saved, you can use this widget on any page, and any changes you make to it will automatically update everywhere. No need for manual edits. As if I go to the theme builder on any of the pages and select an option like the header, and apply it to the entire site, it will automatically update across all the pages with just one click. Now, if I change anything in the header on a single page, such as updating the logo, the changes automatically appear on all the pages site-wide. No manual changes needed. So with all these Elementor's own global settings, we do not need to rely on any theme setting. So for an easier and theme-independent way to maintain a consistent look across your site, Elementors offer a more flexible solution. Number 3, essential marketing features. Now, if you're building a website, you need certain features to attract and engage the customers, like pop-ups for promoting deals or collecting emails, contact form so visitors can reach out easily, and email signups to build a mailing list for marketing and etc. But with Gutenberg, these features are not built in. You will need to install extra plugins to get this feature. That can slow down your site and make things more complicated. But with Elementor or Elementor Pro, you get a lot of these features by default. You can create pop-ups, build forms, and even connect to MailChimp or other email tools without extra plugins. So if you want built-in marketing tool without the hassle, Elementor has got you covered. This not only makes your website easy to manage, but also reduce the chances of plugin blot or compatibility issue. Number 4, adding animation and motion effect. In today's world, a static website is a boring website, and Gutenberg does not have any built-in option for motion effect, scrolling effect, parallax background, or etc. You need to have extra plugins or custom codings to get this effect. But Elementor makes this easy too. It comes with built-in animation like scrolling motion, hover effects, and zoom in, zoom out effects, and etc. You can add them in just a few clicks, no coding required. This makes your website feel more modern and engaging, which is important especially if you're building websites for businesses, agencies, or brands. Now number 5, freedom to design anything. So Gutenberg follows a strict block-based system. So you can't drag and drop elements freely outside of it without using a custom code. Everything has to stay within its own block or container. Elementor, on the other hand, gives you full creative control. You can drag and drop anything, anywhere. Adjust positioning, layer text over images, and create unique layouts without needing codes. So Elementor is a game changer if you want to have a truly unique website with full control over the designs. Now number 6, website building speed or efficiency. So you must have heard that time is money. And when it comes to building website, it matters a lot, especially if you're working with tight deadlines and multiple clients. So I feel Gutenberg can be time consuming. Because of its strict block-based system, you have to place each element within its designated block or container. Then you can't really move things around. This means more time spent adjusting layouts and styling each pieces. Plus, without global styling option, making site-wide design changes take extra time. On the other hand, Elementor is faster when it comes to building websites. Its drag and drop builder, as we discussed, lets you place anything anywhere on the page quickly. Then it also comes with global styles, theme builders, and ready-made templates, allowing you to build pages much faster. So a common concern people have about Elementor is its speed. The older version of Elementor does have performance issue, but it's no longer the case. So in past, Elementor used sections and columns, which added extra code in the background and made pages heavier. But with Flexbox container, things became much cleaner. I mean, less unnecessary code, which naturally speed up the loading time. Another big improvement is how Elementor handles the script and styles now. Previously, it would load all the scripts and style even if some were not needed on a specific page. This made pages heavier and slower to load. But now Elementor is smarter about it. It only loads the script and style actually needed for the element on that page. This reduces the overall page weight, helping it load faster and run more smoothly for the user. So if your Elementor site is slow, it might be not because of Elementor itself. Maybe it's bad hosting, too many plugins, and unoptimized images. So to make sure your Elementor site runs as fast as possible, the key is to use Flexbox container instead of old sections. Enable Elementor's performance settings. Choose a lightweight theme like X-Pro, Astra, or Hello. And also optimize your images and caching. So by following these best practices, you can build a faster Elementor's website without losing any of the design flexibility. Now here's something most people don't realize. You don't have to choose between the Gutenberg or Elementor. In fact, many WordPress experts use both builders to get the best out of them. So as we discussed, Gutenberg is great for simple pages and blog posts. It's simple, faster, and integrated into WordPress, so ideal for content-heavy sites. That's why bloggers and creators love it. But if you are someone who wants advanced layout, animation, and full creative control, Elementor is the best choice. Now the fun thing is, many professionals use hybrid approach. They use Gutenberg for blog posts and basic content, and Elementor for landing pages, home pages, and client website. This smart way, you get the speed of Gutenberg and the design power of Elementor without losing and sacrificing anything. So instead of limiting yourself to one tool, why not use both? So after everything we have covered, should you stop using Elementor? No way! Yes, Gutenberg is improving and it's best for simple website and blog posts. But if you want more control over your design, Elementor is still the best choice. And at the end of the day, it's not about Gutenberg versus Elementor. It's about choosing the right tool for the right job. And for designer agencies or anyone who wants full control over their design, Elementor is not going anywhere. So what do you think? Are you team Elementor or team Gutenberg? Let's talk in comments. Now if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and turn the notification on. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next.